Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the Google Play Store on your Windows PC or laptop. And not just that, you'll also be able to download and use all your favorite Android apps right on your computer. So if you also want to install and use your favorite Android apps on your PC or laptop, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key to open the Start menu, then type Control Panel and open it. Now go to View by and you will see options like Category, Large Icons, and Small Icons. Select the Category option. Then, click on Uninstall Program. Now, on the side panel, you will find an option called Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click on it. Now, press the V key to quickly navigate to Virtual Machine Platform. Then, check it. Below that, you will find the Windows Hypervisor Platform option. Check it. Scroll down a little, and you will also find the Windows Subsystem for Linux option. Make sure to check it as well. After checking all three options, click the OK button. Windows will now apply the changes. Wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, you may be prompted to restart your computer. If so, click on Restart Now to reboot your PC. After restarting your PC, open your browser. Type WSBuilds and press the Enter key. Now open the first website from the search results. Now scroll down. Here, you will find the download links, which are only available for Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you are using Windows 8 or 7, you won't be able to install it. If you are using Windows 10, click the Windows 10 by 64 button. If you are using Windows 11, click the Windows 11 by 64 button. Scroll down again, and at the bottom, you will find a section called Assets. Download the file that appears at the top of the list. After downloading, go to the Downloads folder and you will find a 7-zip file. Extract it using WinRAR or 7-zip. After extracting, you will get a folder. Open it. Open the folder inside it. Inside it, you will find many folders and files, but you need to locate the Run file. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator. Now wait while it is installing. During installation, a dialog box will appear. Click on Continue. After the installation is complete, press any key on your keyboard, and it will close. Now press the Windows plus S keys to open the search bar. And here, search for Play Store. You can see that Play Store is installed on your PC. If you want to pin it to the taskbar or Start menu, right-click on it and select the Pin option from there. Now, click on it to open. The first time you open it, it will ask you to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. Now, sign in with your Google account or click on Create Account to make a new one. After signing in, the Play Store will open here. Here, you will find all Android games and apps. To install any app, click on it and then click the Install button. And you can see that the installation has started. After the installation is complete, you will see two buttons here, Uninstall and Open. If you want to open the app, click on Open. And you can see that Shopify has opened here. In this way, if you want to search for any app, type its name in the search bar at the top. For example, when I searched for YT Studio, it appeared in front of me. It's also an Android app, and now I can install and use it on my PC. Now you can open it directly from here, but if you search for it in the search bar, you'll see that the app is installed. You can also pin it to the taskbar or start menu. To open it, simply click on it. And you can see that YT Studio has also opened here. And here, you will see all the accounts you have signed in with. You can also log in with another account from here. Here too, you can switch between accounts just like on an Android device. Now from here, you can install any Android app and use it on your PC. If you want to uninstall any app, right-click on it and then click on Uninstall. A warning will appear. Click the Uninstall button, and now this app has been uninstalled from your device.